Hey everyone, welcome back to Top 5 Picks. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, pun intended. Today we're diving into the top 5 video doorbells of 2024. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home security or just add a bit of tech-savvy convenience to your front door, we've got you covered, so let's get started. Number 5. Wireless Doorbell. At number 5, we have the wireless doorbell. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those who want a video doorbell without breaking the bank. It offers a sleek design, easy installation, and solid performance. With its 720p HD camera, you can see who's at your door with clear visuals. Plus, its wireless setup means you don't have to worry about complicated wiring. It's a great entry-level option for those new to video doorbells. While it might not have all the bells and whistles of higher-end models, it does its job well and won't leave you disappointed. Number 4. Arlo Essential Video Doorbell. Coming in at number 4 is the Arlo Essential Video Doorbell. Arlo is known for its high-quality security products, and this doorbell is no exception. It features a 1536p HD video camera with a wide 180-degree field of view, ensuring you won't miss anything happening at your doorstep. It also has a built-in siren and two-way audio, so you can talk to visitors or scare off intruders if needed. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with Arlo's ecosystem of cameras and sensors. The Arlo Essential is a solid choice if you're looking for a balance of performance and features. Number 3. Eufy Security Video Doorbell 2K. At number 3, we have the Eufy Security Video Doorbell 2K. Eufy is known for offering impressive features at a competitive price, and this model is a prime example. With its 2K resolution camera, you get sharp and clear video quality. It also offers local storage, meaning you don't have to worry about monthly cloud fees. The doorbell has a sleek design and includes features like motion detection and two-way audio, making it a versatile and budget-friendly choice. Plus, its easy installation and reliable performance make it a standout in its price range. Number 2. Nest Doorbell. Taking the number 2 spot is the Nest Doorbell by Google. This doorbell features a 960p HD camera with a sleek design that fits right in with other Nest products. It offers excellent integration with Google Assistant, so you can control it with voice commands and view footage on your smart displays. The Nest Doorbell also includes smart alerts and advanced motion detection, which helps you stay informed about activity at your door. It's a fantastic option for those who are already invested in the Google ecosystem. Number 1. Ring Video Doorbell Pro. 3. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 3. Ring continues to set the standard for video doorbells with this model. It boasts a 1536p HD camera with color night vision, ensuring clear video footage even in low light. The Pro 3 also features advanced motion detection with customizable zones, so you get alerts only for the areas you care about. Its sleek design and high-performance features make it the top choice for many homeowners. If you're looking for the best of the best, the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 3 is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our list of the top 5 video doorbells in 2024. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.